Gentlemen, close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You're in your 60s, still sharp, still full of life, still young at heart. But when it comes to intimacy, something feels different. Something feels off. You love your partner. You want that same spark, that same fire. But your body doesn't always cooperate. And here's the truth is you are not alone. Millions of men feel this shift as they age. But here's the question I want you to ask yourself right now. What if this wasn't permanent? What if you could naturally regain your strength, your confidence, and yes, your performance? Then how you feel. I am Dr. Jackson, and today I'm sharing 3 game-changing vitamins that can reignite your energy, boost your stamina, and help you feel like yourself again. These aren't exotic or expensive. In fact, they might already be in your kitchen cabinet right now. But here's the catch. Most men are either ignoring them or using them the wrong way. Stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to show you not just what they are, but how to use them to transform your health and performance. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Let's build a brotherhood of men reclaiming their vitality together. The untold truth about aging and performance. Here's what most people won't tell you. Aging does not mean slowing down. It doesn't mean weakness. It doesn't mean losing intimacy. Here's what really happens. Testosterone levels slowly decline. Circulation isn't as strong as it once was. Stress hits harder than it used to. Then results fatigue, low stamina, and a dip in confidence. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the tools to fight back. The right vitamins taken the right way can restore energy, supercharge blood flow, and reignite your masculinity. Let's get into them. Vitamin number 1, the sunshine fuel. Imagine this, you wake up feeling heavy, sluggish, drained. You think, well, maybe I'm just getting older. But what if it's something as simple as a vitamin D deficiency? Here's the shocking reality is over 40% of men over 60 are low in vitamin D. And in the winter, that number shoots even higher. Why does this matter? Because vitamin D is directly tied to your blood flow and circulation. 2 things absolutely critical for stamina and performance. Here's how it works. Vitamin D helps your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to flow easily. And when blood flow improves, every part of your body benefits, including the parts that matter most in the bedroom. Studies show men with healthy vitamin D levels experience stronger, longer-lasting erections and higher energy. How to get more vitamin D? Get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Eat foods like salmon, sardines, mushrooms, and fortified dairy. Add a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. Always check with your doctor. Even within a few weeks, many men notice better mood, more energy, and a huge difference in stamina. Vitamin number 2, the Energy Spark Plug, vitamin B12. Be honest, do you ever feel drained even after a full night's sleep? Or struggle to focus, like your brain is moving in slow motion? That's a classic sign of low vitamin B12. B12 is the engine starter for your body. Without it, nothing fires properly. It's essential for 1. Energy production, converting food into fuel. 2. Nerve health, keeping signals sharp and strong. 3. Oxygen delivery, helping red blood cells carry oxygen to every organ, including your reproductive system. Here's the problem. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food drops dramatically. That's why deficiency is so common in men over 60. When you don't get enough, here's what happens. Constant fatigue, even after resting. Low stamina in daily life and in the bedroom. Brain fog, poor focus, forgetfulness. In short, you just don't feel like you. How to get more B12? Eat lean meats like chicken, beef, and turkey. Enjoy seafood like salmon, shrimp, and clams. Add eggs, dairy, or fortified foods. If levels are still low, ask your doctor about B12 supplements or injections. When men restore their B12 levels, the difference is night and day. More energy, sharper focus, more stamina. Vitamin number 3, the circulation secret, vitamin E. This one is underrated, but it's a powerhouse. Vitamin E is sometimes called the fertility vitamin, and for good reason. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Why does that matter? Because circulation is everything when it comes to stamina and performance. Here's what vitamin E does for you. Boosts blood flow, essential for stronger, lasting erections. Fights inflammation, protecting your heart and reproductive health. Supports testosterone production, keeping libido strong. Even mild deficiencies in vitamin E can lead to sluggish blood flow, weaker performance, and lower confidence. How to get more vitamin E. Snack on almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts. Use olive oil or sunflower oil on salads and meals. Eat leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Most men overlook this vitamin, but once you add it consistently, you'll feel the difference. Beyond vitamins, the lifestyle multiplier. Now listen carefully. These vitamins are powerful, but they work 10 times better when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Here's your winning formula. Exercise. Even simple walking, swimming, or yoga keeps blood moving and testosterone flowing. Stress management. Chronic stress destroys testosterone. Try meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies you enjoy. Quality sleep. 7 to 8 hours of deep rest is when your body rebuilds, produces testosterone, and restores energy. Think of it these way: vitamins are the fuel, but your lifestyle is the engine. Together, they create unstoppable energy and performance. Final message: your turn to take action. All right, brother, let's recap the 3 vitamins every man over 60 should focus on. Vitamin D, the sunshine fuel for blood flow. Vitamin B12, the spark plug for energy and stamina. Vitamin E, the circulation and testosterone booster. These 3 simple nutrients can completely transform your vitality, confidence, and performance. But here's the key: knowing isn't enough. You have to act. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more science-backed men's health advice, and share this with a friend who needs it. Thanks for watching.